Here is a preview on how to drive a manual car.
Okay, so I want to do your questions. So what was your question at first?
So
I'm sure I have questions that you want about the manual. So whatever you ask, if it needs me to stop, I'll stop then start.
okay.
Yeah. So what were you saying?
So I wanted to understand
Yes.
the best way of changing gears,
Yes.
so that it's not too soon or too late.
Yes.
You are not stressing the engine.
Yes.
So how is the correspondence in terms of gear shift and the levers?
And the revs.
When is the right time to change from one gear to the other gear? Like in the case of gear 1 to gear 2, because I understand gear 1 is for starting.
Yes. Okay, so cars differ. Okay, so in the case, so in the newer models, like in a Toyota Hilux, new models, you find that it has some green bands on there on the ref counter. Okay, on the ref counter there, you find that it has a green band, which shows the normal time you can change your gears. So in our case, like today, in our manual car that we have, this is a Nissan NP300. Okay, so let me just stop so that I can start the car. So
okay.
I'll engage to gear 1. I want you to be showing on the what? On the revs. Yeah, because that is what is important. That's your question.
Yes.
Yeah. So provided you know how to shift the gears. So I've made videos on my channel on how to shift the gears. Okay, so I'll engage to gear 1. Okay, on the revs, this is for the revs. This. So you can position it there. Okay, so I'll engage to gear 1, then start moving. Okay. So whenever I reach at 2000 RPMs, I'll be changing my gears. For every gear that I'll change. So that was gear 1. That is gear 2. That's gear 3. Whenever I reach 2000 RPMs, I'll be changing my gears. I'm not stressing the engine. I'm changing at a normal time.
See?
Yeah. So that's gear 4.
Every time you change you do a gear change,
it goes down.
The rev resets and then starts speaking
again. Yeah. So that is gear 5. So that is in a normal driving scenario. I'm changing my gears at 2000 RPMs. Okay, I can still change below that, but then I would need to pick a lot of speed for me to change to the next gear. So, but 2 is okay. Then also, what determines the gear change? Because most cars you find it has no rev counter. Okay, so what determines is also the speed. The speed of the vehicle also determines when to change. Okay, so I want you to put that camera back. Okay, so that is gear 1. So gear 1, immediately it reaches at 20, I'll change. That is gear 2. At 40, I'll change to gear 3. So that is gear 3. Sorry, it's very shaky bit. So that is gear 3. Gear 3 at 60.